Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off photo tagging on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. And now click privacy and safety. Now click audience and tagging and click photo tagging, and here you will find off. Just click on it and it will be saved. That's how to turn off photo tagging on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.